What is up? Welcome back to my channel. Good morning. I am currently making coffee. I'm not trying it out, but I've been obsessed with this new creamer, the creamy maple that I got in my last vlog, I believe. It is so good, you guys. But yeah, I just thought I would vlog these next couple of days. We're starting to prep for our trip to Florida, and I got a few orders in and I'm starting to plan out everything, so I thought I would bring you guys along. Anyways, first things first, coffee. I just put some of my creamer in my frother. We're doing iced coffee, so I'm gonna put some ice in my little cup and we're gonna start off the day right with an iced coffee. And then I have a little Aritzia haul for you guys because, like I said, I did a little bit of shopping for the trip. It's not just for the trip, but it's because of the trip that I got them early, so I'll definitely show you guys that later. Okay, look at this maple goodness, like yum. I always like putting a lot of ice in my iced coffees. It just fills up the glass more. It looks like I'm drinking more than I actually am. Also, I really don't mind that the ice kind of melts in it. Guys, this is so good. This, you guys, is the best part. Just look at how the coffee mixes with the creamer. It looks so good. All right, finished product. I love mixing it. It's like one of my favorite parts. And taste test. So good. Silk does such good creamers. Like the pumpkin spice is so good. Their vanilla one is so good. Now this one, so good. Okay, so I thought I would go ahead and show you guys right now what I got from Aritzia. We got a pretty big package. I think I ordered like 6 pieces, which I guess is not a lot, but technically I ordered like 7 because I ordered one in 2 different sizes, or maybe I don't even know how many I ordered, but one of them I ordered in 2 different sizes. So let me show you guys what I ordered. I'm pretty excited about these pieces, honestly. Okay, this is the first top. It's this really cute TNA ribbed tank. Now, if you watch my last vlog, you'll see that I tried a similar one at Dynamite, but honestly, I really prefer this one. Also, I'll have everything linked down below for you guys, but yeah, I really prefer this one. It's so cute and hits so good. I love it. And I liked it so much that I got it in black as well. So cute. Like, such cute basics. Honestly, I'm obsessed. I love these tops. They're so cute. Next, I got this white tee, just a cropped tee. I thought it was so cute. It's the Chill Ortiz crop top. I think that's what it's called. I really like this material for a cropped tee over the TNA ribbed material, but that's just my preference, honestly. Doesn't mean I don't like the TNA ribbed material. It's just for a crop tee, I prefer this. Okay, next I got this cute little yellow dress. It's very, very short at the back, and this is actually the item that I got in 2 different sizes. Medium is way too big for me, and small is too short at the back. Like, I literally can't bend down because I'll be showing my butt to the world. So I will be unfortunately returning. It's also very, very see-through, so I just can't justify the price if it's going to be see-through, and I also just can't justify like keeping it if it's see-through because I will not wear it. But honestly, this is, it's so cute, and I would have worn it with like a denim jacket over top with white sneakers or sandals. It would have been so cute. I'm really disappointed. And this is the last thing that I got. It's the Tallulah bralette. I love this. I have it in a like tan brown color and I wear it all the time, so I thought I might as well pick up another one in black, and I'm obsessed with this bralette. It is honestly my favorite bralette in a long time, so I definitely recommend. Once again, everything will be linked down below if you're interested. Okay, it's a little later and I'm gonna prep my lunch. I already prepped like part of it, but we're just gonna like assemble because I'm hungry. It's like 1 o'clock and I'm really hungry. Let me show you guys what I've been making for lunch. I have this new obsession for lunch, and like I love it. I've been eating it every day for like 2 weeks. Okay, so I just prepped some tuna salad with some mayonnaise, salt, pepper, and green onions. And then I just put it in this pita bread right here. It's currently frozen, so I'm just letting it defrost. It takes about 2 minutes. And then I add a whole bunch of lettuce in my pita, and I also do like some crackers and pickles on the side. All right, and here is lunch. I also stuffed them with a whole bunch of lettuce. Like, I put a lot just for them to seem bigger than they really are. But yeah, this is my lunch, and it has been for the past few weeks, and I'm not tired of it yet. It's so good. Okay, it's a little later and I feel like I'm doing another what I eat in a day because I'm literally about to show you guys what I'm eating, but I'm gonna go work out in about an hour. So I like to make like a pre-workout snack just so that I'm not like starving when I work out. And I'm also doing glutes tonight, which is a really hard workout. And this has been my go-to pre-workout snack. Okay, so this is my snack, just some oatmeal with a bit of brown sugar and some bananas. Super filling and perfect for like before a workout. Okay, so I'm getting ready to go to the gym. I'm not leaving right now, but I just want to be ready. My go-to when I do glutes, and I don't know if like anyone else is like that, but for specific workouts, I have like specific workout sets that I like to wear. So I'm gonna put my specific set for glutes. It's typically all black. Like I like wearing all black when I do glutes or legs. So this is my workout OOTD, one of my faves. The sports bra is Aloe Yoga and the leggings are Lulu Aligns. One of my other favorite ones is my biker shorts and a long sleeve crop top. So cute. I love a good workout set moment. It just motivates me at the gym even more. Good morning, you guys. It is obviously the next day. Yesterday's workout literally like burned me out. I came back home, ate, and went to bed. I was so tired. But today's a new day and I'm doing a lot of cleaning up, and I want to do some deep clean, you know, like stuff that you don't do all the time, like cleaning out the fridge, cleaning the microwave, because I feel like microwaves just gets forgotten, so it needs to get done. Just like a few things like that, you know? Anyways, just like a bit of tidying up to do, and I just want the apartment to be clean. I feel like there's a lot of things that we've just kind of like pushed off and they need to get done. Like we've had so many plans in the past few weeks, so we're just like, we need to get shit done, okay? So we're gonna tidy up the apartment today. Alex is gonna help me as well because he's home right now, and we'll see where the day takes us. Okay, so we literally cleaned up for an hour and we're basically done, so I'm so happy because I literally thought I was gonna have so much cleaning up to do this afternoon, but turns out we didn't have that much, and it didn't take that much time either, so that's great. I'm about to eat lunch. I made the exact same thing as yesterday, a little tuna sandwich, and then I'm gonna go to the gym. Okay, so I'm currently just finishing up some laundry. I'm also waiting for the vacuum to charge because it died, and I just want to finish vacuuming before I go to the gym. So I'm just doing like a little bit of tidying up. But yeah, I started planning out my list of things that I want to bring to Florida because we are only doing carry-on, and I've never traveled with just a carry-on. Like obviously we've done road trips, which is kind of like having a carry-on, but like you can't bring anything that's over 100 milliliters of liquid. So we're just planning out everything, or I'm planning out everything because I need it to be planned out. So I've got a few things that I need to go purchase, like toothpaste in a reasonable size that I can travel with in my carry-on. And honestly, I'm a little overwhelmed and a little stressed about it. So I'm just hoping everything goes smoothly. Anyways, I just got ready to go to the gym. I just like rediscovered this top that I used to wear last summer so much, and I'm vibing with it. I feel like pink is very in right now, so I'm gonna do this and then black leggings. But yeah, I'm just prepping for our trip and I'm a little overwhelmed and stressed, but I think it's gonna go smoothly and we're gonna be fine. I'm just like stressing for no reason, but I've been prepping. I have a huge list on my phone. Anyways, I just really want to make sure that we're prepared. Also, one thing that I really need to figure out before we leave is my camera problem, because we've been so busy and I just haven't had time to try a different memory card, and I haven't purchased one because I don't want to purchase one if the memory card is not the issue. So I need to borrow one from a family member. Anyways, it's complicated, but I really want to figure this out because it's so annoying to have to film clips by 20-second intervals. As I'm saying this, my camera is literally shutting off every 20 seconds. So anyways, I'm gonna go to the gym and I'll talk to you guys later. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. Currently in the bathroom because I'm getting ready to go to a dinner or a lunch for my great-grandmother. She's turning 90 years old and we're doing somewhat of a surprise lunch for her. So I'm currently getting ready. I'm in the bathroom. I just got out of the shower post-workout and I've got my makeup, my hair things, and a comb. So I'm gonna curl my hair, do a little light makeup, and then I'm gonna get dressed. But I honestly don't know what I'm wearing yet. It's somewhat casual, but I don't want to be too casual, so I need to figure that out, and I have 45 minutes to figure it out. So that's a pretty good amount of time. So let's get ready. All right, makeup and hair is done. Now I just need to figure out what I'm wearing. I honestly don't know. I think I'm gonna go for like jeans and a cute top, but I don't know. And I know it can be kind of cold, so if I'm wearing a t-shirt, I need to have like something to put over, so I just need to figure out what I'm gonna wear, and I'm just like not sure right now. Okay, so we're going for casual but cute with the denim jacket. So I'm doing leggings just because I don't feel like putting any sort of fancy pants on, a white t-shirt, and a denim jacket. I might bring my black effortless pants just in case, but so far this is gonna be the look with my Air Force Ones. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. I feel like these past few days have been so hectic and I haven't vlogged a lot each day, so this is gonna be like a few days in my life. I just got out of the shower. I blow dried my hair. My hair was pretty dirty. Got somewhat ready. I'm still in pajamas and like joggers, but like I got somewhat ready because we have a full day of errands today. So first step right now is gonna be to make breakfast, and I'm inspired to try a new breakfast. I saw a girl on TikTok making something like this and it looks really good. It's super high in protein and low cal. So, well, low cal, pretty good in calories. So I'm gonna try this breakfast this morning. Okay, so what I'm making is a breakfast sandwich. So I've got 2 slices of bread, spinach, egg whites, and feta for like the egg mix. Well, not the bread, but like for the egg mix, we're doing egg whites, spinach, and feta. And then I'm gonna cook up some ham on the side and then just like make a sandwich out of it. And I think it's gonna be super good. It's gonna be approximately 37 grams of protein, so that's pretty good. All right, so this is breakfast. I obviously made iced coffee because it's a must. And then this is my sandwich. So I've got ham, the egg white somewhat omelet with spinach and the feta, and that's pretty much it. It's very easy, but it's really high in protein. Like 37 grams of protein is a lot for this, and it's only 345 calories. So that's pretty damn good if you ask me. Okay, I'm currently getting ready. By the way, the breakfast was really, really good. I do feel like there was a little bit of seasoning missing. Maybe I just need to add a little bit more feta, but other than that, it was really, really good. But yeah, I'm getting ready. We're gonna leave soon. We've got, like I said, a ton of errands that we need to run today, so we want to get them done this morning. I'm hoping to leave at 10 so that everything can be done and then we have the afternoon to ourselves. Okay, I'm in the car. Alex is taking the snow off of the car. There's so much snow. It is such a snowy day today. But yeah, gotta go do those errands. The first thing that I really want to do, or at least the most important one that I want to do today, is get a new memory card. I've confirmed, or somewhat confirmed, that the memory card is the issue for my camera, so we're gonna cross our fingers, get a new one, and try it out, and hopefully it'll resolve the issue. Okay, I made my way into Aritzia for some returns, and I'm trying things on. I have my personal judge right here letting me know if they look good or not. First things, these Levi shorts. I actually really like them. I think they look really good. So we'll see if I end up getting them or not. But what do you think? I think they look good.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think they look like your other shorts.
True. Okay, I wanted to try on this like corset top, but we're not able to zip it up. I feel like it's slightly too small, but like this is a small, and if it was a medium, it would be too big. But when it was kind of tight at the back, it looked really, really nice. Next, I've got this little black dress. It looks so cute. So like fun and flirty, and I also have it in white to try on, so I think I prefer the black though, but let's try the white on. And this is the white one. It's definitely really cute as well, but I do prefer the black one on me. I think the black one is just more me, but they're both like super cute. Next, we've got this skirt. It's the Tatiana skirt. I had already purchased it before and it didn't work, and I just kind of confirmed that like it just doesn't work. It's too tight and I feel like I'd be pulling it down all the time, so this is gonna have to be a no, sadly. Okay, so this is the last one that I have, and it has like the little knot right here, kind of crisscrossed. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's pretty cute, but I think it's gonna have to be a no. The 2 things that I really like are the jean shorts and the black dress. You guys, I was able to like tie or zip the corset top. Look at how cute this looks. So the small does fit. It's a little snug, but it's completely fine. I wouldn't size up. Look at how cute this is. I like this top. I like this top. I think it looks really nice. Yeah, I like it. Okay, you guys, we're back home, and I just put my new memory card and my camera, crossing my fingers that we don't get any issues with this one. I'm gonna be so disappointed if we do, but we shall see. Anyways, we're back home. We did a little grocery stop. We literally got 3 things: bananas, cucumbers, and lettuce. That is it. And we're gonna spend the rest of the day home, I think. I don't think we're gonna head back out. The roads are nasty out there because of the snow. And I don't feel like going back out, and I have a lot of things to prep for this upcoming week and our trip. So I really wanna go through my summer clothes and see what I have to start like planning my outfits out. You guys know we're going just with carry-on and it's kind of stressful. So I just want to know what I'm wearing without it being done like the day before we leave. So probably gonna start planning that out, and then I'll probably do like an official video next week for like a pack with me, but I'll start like slowly prepping today. That's the plan. So that's what's going on for now. I'm gonna start prepping lunch. We have like a few things to eat up in the fridge, so we're just going with what we have, which is why we didn't do a big grocery, because we're leaving in a week, so we don't want to buy things that are just gonna sit in the fridge for a whole other week. So I'm gonna prep lunch and then we're gonna go through my summer clothes and see what I'm bringing. Okay, I've been in my bedroom for the past hour just going through all of my summer stuff and like outfits that I would want to wear while we're in Tampa. And realistically, we're staying at one of Alex's family members' house for most of the trip, but 2 nights in that trip, Alex and I are gonna go for a little staycation downtown Tampa, and that's what I really want outfits for, because with the family we're gonna be at the family member's house at the beach, and that's pretty much it. So I'm like, I don't really need any outfits for that, so I really don't want to overcomplicate it. Also, we're just traveling with a carry-on, so I really cannot afford to overcomplicate it. We're also staying 1 night in Toronto when we come back, so I have to keep that in mind because I don't want to be cold when we stay that night. I need to have warm clothes to wear for like the next day, so I need to bring thicker stuff as well. So I'm just trying to figure out everything, but this is what I've done so far. Okay, so I've got my base weekender bag, and I've got all the clothes that I know I'm going to bring that are clean, and I'm gonna put them right away in the bag. I'm not gonna like place them or anything. I'm just gonna put them in the bag right away. I've got 1 pair of joggers, or 1 jogger, 1 sweater, 2 shorts, the little linen one and some denim ones, and then some cover-ups, bikinis, tops, pajamas, and then 2 dresses. And I honestly think I'm gonna be fine with this, but I'm kind of wondering if I shouldn't have just bought that pair of shorts from Aritzia earlier that I really liked to have a second pair. And honestly, I might just end up ordering them this week if I think that I should have done that. So still deciding, but I'm gonna put all of this in here. And then when comes the time, probably like on Thursday night, that's when I'm really gonna like pack all of my clothes, because I'm doing laundry on Wednesday, and then on Thursday I'm going to make sure that like all that laundry is put away, so I'll be able to pack everything, and also like everything that's dirty that I want to bring is going to be clean. So I'm probably going to pack all of my clothes on Thursday, and then on Friday / Saturday morning is when I'll do like all of my pharmacy, because if you guys don't know, we're leaving on Saturday, but we're actually going all the way to Toronto, because, well, I know, like, I feel like it's obvious because I keep saying we're gonna stay in Toronto, but like, yeah, we leave really early to go to Toronto. So like Saturday doesn't even count as a day that we have time to pack anything or prep anything, because we're gonna be gone at like 5:30 in the morning. We are out of here, so everything needs to be done by Friday night. Anyways, I'm a little overwhelmed, but everything is getting done. Also, we went to the store. I think I mentioned I got my new memory card, which I'm very excited about. It's working great in my camera right now. I've been vlogging for 3 minutes now and it hasn't cut off, so knock on wood that everything stays like this. We got air tags, 2 air tags to put in our carry-on baggages just in case they have us check them. And we got a shampoo like in a travel size, as well as toothpaste in travel size, and then the rest we all have here. So I can't believe we're leaving in a week, or less than a week at this point. It's just crazy to me.
I gave you all that you asked of me.